case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
This 1980 Oregon Supreme Court case, Leach v. Gunnarson, involved an interesting land dispute rooted in a seller's promise that the property was free from encumbrances. Amid the sale, a crucial detail was left unsaid. An irrevocable right had been granted to the neighbors, the Leaches, to use a spring on the property. The issue arose when the buyer refused to accept this license, arguing that it was an encumbrance not disclosed at the time of sale. The original trial court ruled in favor of the defendant, instructing the jury that if they deemed the license as a visible encumbrance, because of the conspicuous nature of a spring, it did not constitute a breach of the warranty deed. The jury ruled accordingly, a decision that was initially upheld by the Court of Appeals. However, the case took an unexpected turn upon review. The court found that physical features, regardless of how noticeable they are, may not necessarily negate the seller's promise of a property free from encumbrances. The singular exception was the irrevocable license to use the spring. This irrevocable right was determined to diminish the value of the property, therefore breaching the seller's covenant. More so, the unawareness of the purchaser towards the license was to be taken into account. An erroneous instruction of the jury about the defendant's covenant against encumbrances was also pinpointed, as Ford and Barnum decisions, which were used, proved irrelevant to this case. Ultimately, the Supreme Court decided that this case demanded a retrial. The judgment reiterated the importance of honesty and transparency at the time of land transactions, and warned against using unrelated precedents to guide jury decisions. For the Leaches and their neighbors, the dispute was far from resolved as their case headed back to the lower court.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.